like your outfit. The kids are playing football. She is working hard. The food smells delicious. I enjoyed the movie. It's a beautiful day. Thanks for your help. You did a great job. He is smart. She is a gorgeous baby. She has beautiful dress. My father is washing car. My sister is reading stories. I like junk food. I like pizza. Fruits are healthy to eat. Kids like ice cream. The weather is pleasant today. Today is very cloudy. It may rain today. Let's go to park. Let's go for shopping. I want to buy some grocery. I want to buy some stationery. I need some money, Mom. My friend has invited me for dinner today. I am so tired. I am going to take some rest. I am going to bed now.